So passive income or residual income, basically a quick explanation definition is you're not trading time for money, right? Like you obviously got to go put in some hours and some work to actually get to that point where you're creating passive income, but it's something where like you can do the work once, okay, or invest the money once, and then you're paid out long-term over a longer period of time. So I was just kind of like thinking about that. I'm just like, okay, what number would I have to get to if like I was living my dream lifestyle? How can I go through and create passive income to get to that point? And the thing is, guys, with this is not a get rich quick. This is more of the long term. And if you're slowly building, like if each year you add another $500 or even $1,000 of passive income to your life, then think about that. If you're doing $1,000 every single year, it's really not that much, but after 10 years, you're having $10,000 per month of passive income coming in. So at that point, honestly, like, I mean, that's a 6-figure income. You can literally quit your job. You can do what you really love. And so that's what I like, kind of the mentality that I like to think of like, okay, what's that number I need to get to? And what are the things I need to do to be able to get to that passive income number that I can just live a completely carefree life, that I don't have to worry about, financial things and money coming in. And I could just do what I love, right? Like you can go through and start a new business. You could go and, have a passion or hobby or any of that stuff. So just a couple of things that, just a couple of examples of different passive incomes. But I was trying to figure out like things that you can get started with very little money, or even started with no money, but might be more of a time investment. Because pretty much what I've learned is everything in life, you either get there faster via money, or it's gonna take a little bit of time, of your personal time, your sweat equity of going through and investing that time into some sort of business to get that investment, get that return on that investment, right? So, but one thing, guys, I wanna share with you guys what I think that I want to go through and continue to grow and continue to do, and creating that passive income for my life, and something that like in 5 to 10 years, it's still gonna benefit me, and I don't have to have the high costs of even property tax like real estate, or it's gonna be something that can serve me for years to come. And that is going through and continuing, one, to build my YouTube channel, so right here that you guys are watching, and then second, I'm thinking about starting a blog to go through and have similar content that I like share on the blog or share on my YouTube channel, but put it on the blog, because sometimes people like to watch videos, other people just more like to read or like to look at pictures. And so kind of having those two aspects to be able to go through and make money and grow my email list, okay? Because an email list is actually something that can create a lot of passive income, where you go through, you start building an email list, you get 1,000 people on that email list, and you've got a product, you got your own products, you got affiliate products. So an affiliate product is basically someone else's products, but they'll pay you a 25 to 50 to 75% commission to go through and promote their product, which is kind of nice because you don't have to worry about the product development. And there's sites like Commission Junction, ClickBank, where there's tons of products in all these different markets that you can go through and promote. Now, the reason why I like a blog and I like a YouTube channel so much, this goes back to when I was first getting into the whole digital marketing space, and I started up a dental website. And to promote that dental website, I started a dental YouTube channel. Okay, in this dental YouTube channel, I was going through and targeting keywords like dental implants, teeth whitening, cost of dental implants, like all these different keywords. And the idea was to have people find my videos, because they were searching on YouTube or Google or something like that, find the videos, and then they would eventually go to my blog. Now, the wonderful thing about this is, unlike a Facebook post or even an Instagram post, which those are both great platforms to go through and build a following on, but you make that Instagram post and 3 days later, it's so deep in the newsfeed that it's really not gonna benefit you. Okay, whereas if you go through and make a YouTube video just like this one, or if you make a blog and you have a blog post and you're targeting specific keywords, if it's ranking in the search engine, people are still gonna find that. Okay, so that is passive income that you go through and you're able to make. So you go through, that basically is an asset that you have that absolutely never dies. Okay, so like unlike, I kind of call that virtual real estate, right? So you've got a blog post, which is kind of like a plot of land, okay, that you own, or a YouTube video is like another little plot of land that you own. And if you guys put ads on it, or if you go through and you have, an opt-in to your email list and you're selling other products, these are just different little ways to go through and monetize this following and this blog that you're creating. And remember, guys, like you got to think long-term, right? So many people get into it and they're like, oh, I didn't make money the first month, I didn't make money the second month, the third month, and they just kind of quit. Whereas like if over the course of a year, you could just make an extra $500 a month, you could grow to $500 a month, that's $6,000 for the year. Right? That's pretty nice. That's a hefty car payment right there, $500 a month. Okay, so that's the way you just kind of got to think about this passive income and these different strategies, where you don't have to have a ton of money to go through and invest into real estate. But if you put in the sweat equity, the labor, and go through and learn a skill like how to go through and start and grow a YouTube channel, how to go through and start and grow a blog, how to go through and start building an email list and sell affiliate products, just different things like that. There's so much free material all over the internet on how to start a blog, how to start a YouTube channel, how to start an email list, how to go through and promote affiliates products. Because a lot of times the product owners, if you are an affiliate, they have a ton of free coaching and free training just to give you, because they want you to promote their own products, right? So it's a great way to go through, create a video, how to whatever. Okay, and then 5 years down the road, if someone's looking to go through and how to create passive income or how to run a Facebook ad or how to do whatever, they're gonna see that same video that you ranked so many years past. Like I've got videos that I put up in January of this year, because that's when I started really getting serious with my YouTube channel, and now they've got about 30,000 views, whereas that first day or those first 2 days, they maybe only got like 100, maybe 200 views. So anyway, guys, hopefully this was helpful as far as like some different ways to go through and create passive income for your life, and just think of that long-term mindset. But the key is you just got to start small. You got to start somewhere, and the best time to start is right now, because if you go down 5 years from now and you're like, man, I should have started creating passive income, because believe me, at some point there's gonna be a time in your life where you're like, man, I wish I had more passive income. When you get to be about 50, 55, 60, 65, and you're thinking about retirement, you're gonna wish that you had started earlier of creating that passive income, so that you can go through and support your lifestyle, however grandiose you want it to be, or however just small and simple. Just be able to have that money coming in, so you don't ever have to worry about finances ever again. All right. So anyway, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video and you want me to make more videos about creating passive income and how to do it with a YouTube channel or a blog or different things like that, drop a comment down below, or even just kind of even building an email list, and I'm more than happy to create more videos of how I've gone through and created different passive income streams for myself and my life and my business, and I want to be able to go through and share those with you guys 100% for free here on this channel, because I'm here to support you guys. I'm here to help you guys with everything that you're doing. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're brand new here, make sure you guys subscribe, because we launch new videos every single week, how to generate more leads, make more money, and grow your business, right? So thanks so much, guys, for watching, and I will see you all later.